Hi guys, just going to show you how to get Kodi on your iPhone without jailbreaking. So first of all, we need to go on to tweakboxapp.com on here, press enter, and you just want to download the app, so click that, and then allow configuration. This screen will pop up. Click in the right top hand corner, install, and then enter your passcode if you have one, and press install again at the bottom. And once that's all cleared and done, you press done at the top right, and that brings you back to the web page. But click the home button, takes you back to the app, which should be installed now on your home screen. So click that, and that will open up the app. Down the bottom it says ignore that. These are just adverts for the ad, so ignore all those. Come back to the bottom, press OK on by using this website. You agree we can use that, and then on the top left there's an advert on there right now, so you just want to click that top left round white X so it closes that advert. Not copy it, or don't do that. But yeah, click the X, there we go. And then go on to apps, and then you want to go on to Tweakbox apps. So click that, and then what you need to do, scroll all the way down to Kodi, click that, and then press install, and install again. Now if you go back onto the home screen, it should start installing. Yep, it's starting to install now. You need to wait until that's fully installed. So if you just give it a minute or two, it should install it all okay. And my internet's not great at the moment, but usually it's a bit quicker than this. There we go. Okay, so that's done. Don't click on it. Don't click on the app or anything. Go into settings. If we go back to the start, so obviously your settings page opens up. You go into general, and then onto profiles and device management. And then if you click onto Beijing Nation Sky Network, and you just need to trust that. Trust it on here. That's all done. So now if you go back to the home page, you can now open up Kodi. And that is it. You will get adverts, but there we go. That's the basics. Thanks for watching.